Hi everyone, well tonight we're going to make a clock, but before I start I should warn you that we've got a festa going on here, so there's a lot of background noise. I'm going to it tomorrow, but tonight I'm working, but please excuse all the background noise. I decided to make the clock because I've got quite a few books which have got a bit dog-eared, and I've also got a canvas-based clock which I don't really like, so I thought, well, I'll put both of them together and make a new clock which hopefully I will like. Now I use two methods to make these clocks. One is the rolled paper method, which you see here, and the other is the folded paper method, which this clock was made from. And tonight we are using the folded paper method. So all you need is some white glue, a base of canvas or board clock, ready-made clock, and some leaflets, tourist brochures, whatever, with some nice shiny colourful pages. Fold diagonally, so put a tiny drop of glue at one end and then keep folding neatly, pressing each time until you reach near to the other corner, when you need to put some more glue on. Press really hard and try to keep the poles parallel. Print sometimes looks really attractive, but if you don't want the print, then you can trim down your pages beforehand. Probably the best way to do this is to make all your little folded pieces ready beforehand, and then you can arrange them really nicely in kind of an orderly fashion on your clock. Unfortunately, I'm not really that patient, and so I tend to just stick them on as I'm going along. But if you're like me and you do that, what you do need to do is you need to put the o'clock, the half past, the quarter past and the quarter to on first, and then you're getting some kind of an organised pattern happening. Be sure you stick the pieces on really well and give them a jolly good press, because we don't want the hands to get stuck as they're going around the clock. So you'll get to a kind of halfway stage like this. Ignore all the little people, Jumble Tufts cutouts. I thought I may use them, but I didn't. So when you get to that stage, you then need to start filling in the spaces. How you fill in the spaces is up to you. I like to vary the colours a little bit, but generally I have kept to a blue theme. And I've also tried to vary the size of the different pieces, but you don't need to do that. It is entirely up to you how you actually finish your clock off. So that's my clock finished, and I've put it on the wall outside. Of course, it's not really waterproof, so if I think it's going to rain, I'm going to have to whip out there and get it in. What is really nice is that when I look at it, I can recognise all the different books, and I think you could do this with photographs, and then you can make a really lovely family clock. So that's all from me today. Thank you for listening, and I hope you'll really enjoy making your clock.